What happened when we dropped our curious 4-year-old into India's biggest aquarium and a mad scientist lab all in one day? Spoiler, no disasters, just jellyfish, giggles, mirror mazes, and one very excited toddler. We recently spent a fun day at Aquarium Paradise and Madlabs, both located inside the Fun World campus on Jayamahal Road in Bangalore. It turned out to be one of the most engaging and kid-friendly outing we have had in the city. We began at Aquarium Paradise, which is open daily from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. As we stepped in, the oceanic lighting, background music, and colorful tanks instantly caught our daughter's attention. The star attraction was the 180-foot long underwater tunnel, the longest in India. Watching sharks, stingrays, and bright fish swim above us felt surreal. Our daughter was especially fascinated by the glowing jellyfish, and we loved spotting clownfish, sea turtles, and more. With over 100 marine species, there was something exciting around every corner. Now, mermaid shows are scheduled on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays with performances at 1 p.m., 3 p.m., 5 p.m., and 7:40 p.m. Unfortunately, the performer was injured on the day we visited, so the show was cancelled. Still, there was plenty to enjoy. The aquarium was stroller friendly, not too crowded, and perfect for kids, especially on weekday. Next, we headed to Madlabs, located right above Snow City within the same Fun World campus. Madlabs had four interactive zones, all packed with STEM based fun. One zone featured a mirror maze that had us laughing and bumping into reflections as we found our way through. There were also microscope stations, hands on games for balancing activities to compare gravity across 8 planets, and a pulley challenge where we could lift our own body weight by stepping into a carrier. Another zone let kids build dams, test hand eye coordination, and try out various balance based puzzles. Everything encouraged curiosity and movement without a single screen in sight. It was well organized, clean, and fully air conditioned, a great escape for curious minds of all ages. Tickets were priced at a flat 500 rupees per person, applicable to anyone above 2.5 feet in height. No separate child or adult pricing, which made things very simple. Altogether, we spent around 4 hours between the two places, and there was never a dull moment. The aquarium gave us slow, magical moments, while Mad Labs was energetic and hands on. We also appreciated the practical side of it all. Restrooms, food counters, shaded areas, and enough parking space were all available inside the Funworld campus. But the best part? Watching our daughter light up, whether she was waving at fish or testing her balance, made it a truly memorable day. If you want to spend the entire day, there is much more to explore here. The Funworld campus also has Snow City, Eyelusion, it's a 3D photo museum, arcade games, an AR zoo, and even a spooky walkthrough called Devil's Dark House. There are great combo deals, especially on Wednesdays, so be sure to check their website before planning your trip. Thanks for watching our family adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories and kid friendly experiences. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.